Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by placing the real flowers as a deliberate foreground layer. This is the only way to get convincing organic bokeh. Set your lens to its widest aperture and pick a focal length that compresses distance. Once done, position the subject several meters behind the flowers so the foreground is significantly closer than your focus plane. Make sure to use natural or diffused light. This keeps specular highlights soft and helps the flower shapes fall into pleasing, round blur. You now refine focus and composition. Use single-point autofocus or manual focus to lock onto your subject. Do not let the camera hunt on the flowers. Once locked, nudge the flower cluster forward or back to change the apparent bokeh size. Closer to the lens equals larger, softer discs. Make sure to keep shutter speed and ISO balanced so exposure stays clean. If highlights look harsh, diffuse the light or lower intensity to preserve smooth, circular blur. You finish by taking several bracketed shots to ensure one nail-perfect frame. Review images at 100% to confirm the flowers are pleasantly indistinct and the subject remains sharp. If the bokeh appears edged or textured, move the flowers a bit closer to the lens or open the aperture slightly to soften patterns. Finally, apply subtle post-edits, contrast, color, and a touch of vignette to emphasize the round bokeh and lead the eye back to your subject.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.